Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Big crack right through the plaster. Expansive soils underneath shift. The weight of the water in the pool, might put a stretched crack where it's going down to the deep end. How do you go fix that?
Well, now, Romy, we're going to scare everybody with this. So here we go. Let me be very clear that there are areas of town that have more expansive soil than others. We actually have soil maps, and we're able to determine which area of town is more of a concern than others. Let me also be very clear that we will not take on every repair. There are some pools that have poor workmanship when they were originally constructed, and it's best just to start over. And we're very clear and honest with our customers in that case. In answer to your question on the structural repairs, we generally have to drain the pool, open up the cracked area, and essentially the shotcrete's broke in half. We got to get in there and repin and pinch that cracked area back together. So we'll do that with assortment of rebar staples and heavy pressured concrete mixes that allow us to reinforce that area. Very similar to the medical profession. If you have a staple in your head or in your body, it looks very similar before I finish it off with a pebble or plaster patch.